Welcome to Season 1 of Advisor Speed Demos from Financial Advisor TV. My name is Gwynneth Shipley, and today we're going to hear from YieldX, a revolutionary fixed income platform for financial advisors. To learn more about YieldX, please visit yieldx.app. Don't forget to check out other speed demos from Season 1 featuring Y-Charts, WealthBox, Snappy Kraken, and GeoWealth. Now a word from our sponsors.
This show is sponsored by Capital Wealth Planning, providing covered call solutions for financial advisors. To learn more about their SMAs or ETF, visit capitalwealthplanning.com.
Welcome everyone to today's short demo of the YieldX Hub. My name is Adam Green, and I'm excited to share with you the first digital end-to-end infrastructure for yield-based investing. Our technology enables investors to leverage our suite of very malleable APIs, our software as a service platform, which I'm going to demo for you today. And we have a number of products that we're able to offer, such as ETFs, structured notes, and liquidity management through the technology that we're going to share. So what you see here in front of you is our YieldX Hub, and everything is built on our own infrastructure that we've developed from scratch. We're about a team of 65 people today. And what we pride ourselves on is the ability to integrate to all the different components of the wealth management, RIA, fintech, and broker-dealer ecosystem. So we have a bunch of connections to various custodians, both the digital and traditional custodians, whether it's Apex and Drive Wealth, whether it's Schwab, Fidelity, Pershing. We can connect seamlessly into all of those technologies to be able to create a unified experience and really take the power of the fixed income markets into your hands. So as I'm going to show you today, everything you see is based on workflow applications. We have very sophisticated user management. We have universe management, where you can tell the system exactly the types of yield-driven securities that you're looking to put into a customized portfolio. We have the ability to track portfolios over time. We have our own rebalancer. And most importantly, what we are here to do today is to show you how you can target yields, limit risk, and have a very specific dollar distribution on behalf of your clients in a market where inflation is getting higher and higher and where rates are starting to rise. And so the yield investing opportunities are getting really interesting. So today I'm going to start off with our Asset Explorer, which is an end-to-end platform where you can see all of the different product types across yield-driven investing, corporates, munis, treasuries, preferreds, all the ETFs, SEFs, mutual funds. We're in the process of launching equities as well on the platform in terms of dividend-driven stocks. That's really exciting as well. And you can see you can quickly sort by product type, by yield range. And then once you've picked out the securities that you want to add into your basket, into your portfolio, you come up here, go right through, and then you can choose the investment amount that you're looking to invest. And we have a very sophisticated set of models on the back end that with the click of a button, what we call our no quant solution, you can create your own customized models with a slider and the push of a button. So once you choose either balance, max yield, or minimize risk, and you're happy with the results, you can push it right through into our proposal generator, and you see a completely customized yield-driven portfolio, all of the different metrics, and the constituents of each individual position that you've put in. At this point, you can either save it, export it to your execution desk, or trade it right through our system. Moving right along, coming back into the hub, we have a very powerful tool. It's Income Portfolios as a Service, or InPass as we call it. This is a way to create a yield, risk, or dollar distribution targeted portfolio of liquid ETFs and closed-end funds. So nowhere else in the market can you create a completely customized yield, risk, or dollar distribution pool of assets for you or your clients. Very important to understand in a world where rates are moving, the ability to do this is very powerful. So the benefit of this app is that you can create a customized target, and over time, you can rebalance it to stay within your balance. You can do it automatically, you can do it manually. And you see that with the click of a button, our portfolio construction models have gone out, analyzed about 650 plus liquid ETFs and closed-end funds, and put them right here into this portfolio for you for 50% less risk and for 35 basis points cheaper than the average 5% yielding fund. Coming right along, I'm going to show you our very powerful optimizer. Our optimizer is great for existing portfolios of yield-driven securities. So you can either upload an external portfolio, or you can choose a portfolio that you've built on YieldX. Regardless, you can pull it in from a custodian, you can upload it yourself via CSV, or you can track it over time. So our optimizer is very intuitive, very engaging, very user-friendly. You can lock positions that may have a particular large capital gain. Let's say I like this Netflix bond. I don't want to optimize that out of my portfolio. You can adjust all the different weightings, or you can come right through, and we're going to give you the option of reweighting that portfolio, which is the exact same positions you have today, only with a more optimal weight for your outcome, or to reallocate that portfolio in like-for-like securities. And the idea here is you either maximize your yield, minimize your risk. We have a very sophisticated control panel where the more power users can limit the different constraints or dictate what they want the optimizer to do. And then coming through, you're going to see a before and after of your original portfolio and your optimizations. So then you can play around and see, do I want to reallocate and see what the real power of this optimization can be, but doing so in a way that I have all my real-time pricing. And you see here with the same exact risk profile, we're picking up over 100 basis points of yield. So think about the power of this in terms of winning new business, client retention, generating engagement and trade ideas for your clients. This is a really powerful tool. Everything you see here is the graphical representation of the metrics that we at YieldX feel is important to show our users. This can also be exported into a proposal. You can see what's happening in our recommendations. We have a new fund that's being suggested here, so on and so forth. You can see line by line what's happening in the portfolio, and then you can come into this summaries tab, and this is what you would share either with your traders directly via API into export, or you can run through our system. Very, very powerful. Coming back to the analytics, same concept in minimizing risk. If you're happy with the yield that you're getting, let's make sure that your portfolio is getting the absolute minimum risk that you can get. So as you can see, similar construct here, all the same analytics, all the same summary tabs. Then lastly, while we have a couple more minutes, I'm going to show you a very intuitive next-gen SMA proposal tool. So here we get to choose. This is using individual CUSIP bonds. You choose your credit quality, choose your maturity or duration, your objective for the portfolio. We have ESG filters. You can exclude entire segments, entire industries. And then lastly, you can choose your portfolio diversification, your investment amount. And in about less than a minute, you have a completely customized single CUSIP SMA and all of your different preferences, all of the different allocations. You can edit these positions, pull into Asset Explorer, enhance the yield, limit the risk, run it through the models, and then you see all of the different positions. And then you see the next best options for trade if you wanted to swap this out. And the really important thing here is that we're putting the power of a very sophisticated SMA proposal tool into the hands of you, and we can customize this however you'd like. So with that, I will share, this is the best way to reach out to us to schedule a demo. Please feel free. We're happy to talk to anyone. We'll schedule a very customized run through of this capability that you've seen today, and we look forward to hearing from you.